Hey guys, so today we are going to do something really interesting. Really interesting. I mean, it will be so interesting that you will literally be doing it for the next couple of hours. I mean, the video is not 1 hour or 2 hours, but you will be making your own thing, and like I won't be giving you any homework. And the homework I gave you in the previous video, I have given you 1 or 2 extra days. Maybe tomorrow we are going to do something else, and today this video does not have parts. I've done this in one day, and here the clock, it's 6:10. You can't see my taskbar. I have disabled it because I want you to concentrate on this, not see the Windows 11 taskbar. For today only, I'll put it again tomorrow, or if tomorrow also you have to focus, then I'll remove this. Pretty straightforward, okay? And I'm also going to tell you about this Go Live thing, which is currently not coming because main.js is not there. And today we are going to make something for Team C's again. Something that is like going to educate you, and we are going to do for every $1 donated. Like currently there are many dollars donated, but we are just going to take $10 and remove 10 pounds of trash of what we added. Okay, so let's begin. So first we'll take, I am actually adding this doctype HTML. This just helps the page to load faster, and currently we need that. Now, this is not a good practice to write in caps lock, but doctype should be written in caps lock only. Head, title, collect the trash. Some advanced programming today, and we're doing some hard programming today. Okay, and now we have some more things which is not really to learn about it, but still we should learn. And what am I saying? I'm going to teach you about this in further. Let me write this now. So I'm going to write and pause the video right here. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello guys. So I've added this link rel style sheet res style.css. This is going to link once we add the style.css. I'm going to add it first. I don't want to be one of those who does not add it, and it's a really bad practice to first add this, okay? So first add these two and then add these two. Now I'm going to create another thing known as fabric.js, and what it basically does is that it kind of, whatever is there, like there are many things here, but what it basically does is it fabricates it. That means any leftovers won't be left of the image we are going to add. So let me write this. 1, 2, 3, pause. Within, guys, I'm back. Okay, I don't want to. This is not to learn. Like, you don't need not learn this. It's not needed. I wrote it in one line. It's a really bad practice. I just wanted to do it fast, okay? So don't mind me. Let's just go forward with index.html now. Okay, this is wrong actually. I shouldn't be keeping it here. This should be inside head. So head has pretty much usage. It has usage. So now we have to put the class. So because we are creating some kind of game, we are going to add this body underscore background. Great. Now we have to write center h2. Okay, we have added h2 now, but we have to put a class. Now this is going to make it look like a button. It looks good. You can change it. I like this, so I'm adding it. You can also keep it normal, but I love this, so I'm going to use it. You can change it according to your own, whatever you need. Now let me put hashtag team C's. We are doing this for team C, so of course. Now after H2 we have to add an H3, and I want you, I'm not going to write this in any video. If you think, why is this guy not telling us? Well, you have to research this on your own. What is the difference between H2, H3 and things like that? There may be a difference, there may be not a difference, because I want to keep it suspense. So now we are going to create something else. Don't mind my cough. I have had it for a few days now. It's going to, I guess, improve. But I hope best. I hope for the best. Let's H3 is there. Now inside this we have to write current width. Get it? Current width. I have written it wrong. Width. It's going to be like this. Okay. Equals to span. We have to add the span tag. Then ID equals to current underscore width. Close. Span tag is now closed. Inside this, our default will be 30 only. Default, okay? This can change, and we are going to do that in JS. So now another H3. And this one, let me just copy it to save time. The previous one which we have created. Okay, yeah. Copy this. 2 or 3. Yeah. Now we have to change current height. Okay. And here height. Both should be completed. Great. Default 30 only. it's going to change, but we are going to do that. Okay. So don't think we are not going to do that. Okay. Let's enter in between canvas tag. Now let's put ID equals to my canvas. Okay, and then width is equals to 1000. Mark my words, 1000. I'm keeping this with this because I don't want to repeat it, but because we are creating a game and we need some layout. Okay, we are going to create a really interactive game today. Now don't think I'm the gaming guy. Okay, we are not going to be that kind of gaming guy. We are not going to do gaming. We are just going to try to save oceans. Okay, now let's link this thing, this whole index HTML to script.js. Really important. Script tag src is equals to main.js. Great. Stop. Done. Fabric.js we have done. Close this. Too messy. Save. I want to save this. Control S. Saved. Let's just start with the style.css. Okay. So dot body underscore background and then background image URL. Okay, this. Oh, what am I doing today? Then URL. This, and then we can add any. So you have to wait for a few seconds because I'm going to add the background real quick. I mean really quick. What am I doing? Why am I saying this continuously? Okay, we are going to add a C background. So because we are doing team C's, of course we need a C background. Or you can consider ocean background. You can edit this according to your need. Okay, I'm not forcing you. Nobody is forcing you. Is that clear? Yeah. So we just have to add a few things here. so that we can kind of tell that this is an ocean, and we are firmly saying that this is an ocean. So I'm going to explain you some things what our app is going to do. So basically we'll have sea and water, and we are going to have trash and a trash can too. And now you have to bring the trash can and cover and make the bucket full, okay, with trash, whatever there is. So this is basically the project that we're going to create today, and yeah. So give me some time. I'm quickly searching the image. Just a minute. Okay. I found the great image. I'm going to just copy the URL. Paste it here. Okay. I'm going to provide this link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Or you can take your own too. I'm not sponsoring anything right here. Background position. This is some basic things you should take. At least I take, and you and almost every person takes, because this is going to make this thing look really better, like really good. So body background center cover. Okay, actually it's going to be background. What am I doing today? Yes, now it's fine. Now let's take background size cover. Background size is cover. So yes, this is for the buggy background. Now hashtag my canvas. Hashtag my canvas. Oh, just a minute. Did we leave an ID one? ID one, yes, we have. That's what I was thinking. I mean, okay, so we have the right border width is equals to 10px. Great. Background image. We are going to take URL. It's going to be the same one. Just we have to fetch trash. That's it. Now let's add border style. I can't find. Yeah, here. Border style reg. You can try the others as you like. Okay. Now let's just take the background position and everything again. We just copy it from the thing that we have done, because I don't want to waste time. Otherwise, it's going to be a long video. None of you are going to watch it. Telling you with experience, because I never watch it if it's a huge video. So H2. Now we have to give it for H2, and H2's border. The radius 10px, right? Width is going to be 200px. You can change it. I usually use 200px for these things. Padding, we are going to keep 2px only. Same. Not same, but actually I think 2px is not going to do. Let's just keep 5 now. 5 is better. Now for H3, we are going to make display inline block. Great. So let's move on to span tag. We are going to move one by one, okay? We are not going to just rush. Okay, so let's take span tag. We are going to just take the color as black. I don't think any other color is needed. You can change it. So let's take the color. Oh, I got the right. No, it's fine. Color. Okay. Is this right or is this right? Let's just keep it black. Normal. Fine. Best for me. I think this is the best. Okay. You can change it according to your need, according to whatever you want. Okay, and if there is something in JS that we are doing first, it's not my mistake because I'm just doing it way by way because like I want you people to understand how the process goes and I don't want to even make it too long. Okay, so text decoration, none only, we don't need any text decorations. Font size, we are going to take the font size. Okay, we can take it as 20px around, that's pretty sufficient. Padding 10px, a little more. We can take float as left. Okay, let's take as left. And border radius, oh, what is happening? I just put this right. What is happening? Oh, the language changed. And now float left, border radius. Okay, and now head info for head. My head has okay, hashtag head and underscore info. And now we have to take width as 600px. We have to take border radius as 10px. And we have to take margin bottom also as 10px. Okay, margin bottom 10. Oh, bottom 10. Great. Done with style CSS. Let's go to some advanced part, main.javascript. I just love the name, like JavaScript. We have many programming languages that have weird names, like coffee. Python is popular, so I don't consider its name that funky. But this really, because Python is a snake, to tell the least. No, I don't want any other thing to come up like Anaconda. New fabric.canvas. So we are fabricating the canvas. Pretty obvious through the code, we are doing that only. And this is my canvas. Okay, the ID close. Go. Pretty clear. Player underscore x is equals to 10 and we are going to take the player underscore y is equals to, let's keep it as 10 only, pretty fine, right? Oh my gosh, I always forget this. Now we're ready to go. I'm telling you, never forget this because this is something that if you don't put this area, the JS may not work. I'm adding that may there. Block underscore main underscore width equals to 30. Great. So let's put 30 and then block underscore image underscore height is equals to 30. Okay, is that fine? Yes. Okay, I can't hear you of course because it's a video, but I'm assuming you're saying yes. Any doubts, just email me. Okay, actually don't email me, just comment. Just drop it below in the comments and please like and subscribe to this video. Okay, I have enough of saying it. Let's move forward. Add bar again, variable player underscore object. Great. And now var block underscore image underscore object. Close. Go. Function player update. Now, because I can't explain everything in the short videos, because my whole meaning of this channel is to make short videos and help the world code. So if I make long videos, some work people won't be able to feed in. So just remove some of the codes, check what's happening, analyze it, and that's the best thing. Like, even if I tell you that's not going to be that like for your education, it's not going to be that good. Okay, so we are going to add all of this. I'm going to pause the video, add all of this, because adding PNGs and all should not. I already have a pen and paper in which I have noted the names, so you don't really need to worry that the program won't work. It will of course work. IMG color trade. I love this color. To tell you, if this color is like this, I love to see this color because it's pretty good. And okay, my battery is kind of low, so I'm going to bring the charger. Until then, I'm going to give you time to analyze this code. So analyze it. Try to remember it and okay guys, sorry for the background noise a bit, but I guess you have analyzed it right now. You have to write in the comments yes if you have, and no if you have not. That's not the homework, that's literally the simple typing. So that would help your coding knowledge. So let's continue in main.js. Okay, first thing to remember, ING. Let's keep the I capital for now. Okay, I have just kept it like that because I just want to, like, there is no foundation for you, but still. Okay, I don't know why this is showing like this, but okay, we are going to solve this later. Though, let's continue. Player underscore object is equals to img. Okay, backwards. Let's continue. Player underscore object. Player underscore object. Where am I going? Not scale to width 150. Okay, and close. Okay, so I'm pausing this video right here and you try to do it. Until then, I'm writing some code here at this platform. Okay, pause. Yeah, okay guys, so I've completed the code. Have I ended it? Okay, I forgot to end this. I forgot to end this. Okay, wait. Why does it change to France? I don't know. English United States. Great. Now, why is it showing this? Let me check. But there's a problem here. Okay, what has happened? I don't know, guys, what has happened here. But okay, we'll work on this. It will work slowly but steadily. Okay, this will work. So let me just I've given some traces and all, and now this is working. Okay guys, so let's put another function, that is new image, and then we are going to add some listeners. So window.add event listener, that's another code only. So how much do you think, like for game developers, they do multiple things, but for us, if you can't afford a game, you can do these things. It's free. Knowledge is something that no age has ever prohibited. Okay, so now another function, that is new image. Okay, new underscore image. I don't know how I close this. Yeah, you're going to show if anything happens now. That's why I have opened this again. Get underscore image. Great. Now we have to add fabric.image again. Now we are fabricating the image too. First we have fabricated that, and now we are fabricating this. URL get underscore image comma function img. Great. Okay, now this and this. Okay, what is happening today? I don't know guys what I'm doing wrong, but this is going to be solved. I'm going to solve this. No worries for you. You can see the right one. Maybe some things are wrong and I'm going to just correct that. But first let me write this. Block underscore image underscore object. Okay, is equals to img. Okay, so we are going to add all of this. Okay, and I like now for me it would have been really easy to give parts. YouTube would have uploaded it more quickly. I would have just relaxed, but no. The main motive is to help the world code. So we are going to stick to that. Okay, guys. So the pressure I am putting, you should also give some respect to that, and you also try to do this all. I like how easy it's for me to give you GitHub. But I want you to like GitHub hosting, I'll teach how to do it. I know it. I've been sharing many websites through it, and it's really easy to say the least. Okay, scale T is going to be capital and W capital and block underscore image underscore width. Sorry, now this, then block mail underscore object, scale to height dot scale to height underscore height for this one. Okay, then block underscore image underscore object dot set. Sorry, I am saying a little low, so let me just increase my sound. Yeah, so guys, I think you can hear me a bit clearly now. Okay. Don't mind that one, please. Now we are going to add block image object dot set. Okay, here we have set. What happened? This And then we have to add what is happening today. Okay, this, oh my god, what am I doing? This thing we have to add, and then we have to write top player underscore y. Okay, then left play code x. Great. Understand this. Now this is ended. This is ended. Okay, and now this. Now we have to write canvas dot add block underscore make underscore object. Okay, guys. Okay. After this, why is to okay? Do this. Now it's fine. Only one. Here is the one thing coming up. Where is the one thing? Okay. As usual, I don't know why this happens. Are you for real? Like really? Maybe I've done something wrong. I have edited some things here. Made this. Is this going now? Oh my god, what's happening today? Okay, let's just there's just this line that's causing problem. Okay, we'll write something and it's going to be fine. Now we just have to add windows dot add event listener listen. Okay, now we have to write key down my key down, key down my key down, key down my underscore key down. Okay, okay. What's happening? Okay, I guess I did not put this. I saw this thing or something. Okay, I did not put comma in this. And now it's fine. These small mistakes do add up over time. So you should really be beware about these mistakes and not try to do these mistakes, okay? My underscore key down what we took, and now E. You can take any, but E is not mostly used, so I like using it, and most developers use E in this case. Your choice, but I recommend E only to every other developer out there. I never change this. Key pressed is going to be is equals to E dot key code, whatever key code is going to pass ASCII value, ASCII value, ASCII value. It's like every letter out there has an ASCII value. So for that we are going to use this. All of these things we are going to use for that only. Okay. Now we have to write console.log key press. This may lag a bit, but okay, this may lag a bit. Console.log. Okay, I'm writing console.log. I'm writing it again. It showed me that it was invalid. Let me write it. You may not be able to see it because I have cut it out. So you will not see this because I don't want any of my audience to get disturbed because of these things. So yeah, now we have an if. Let's start if value, and now we are going to write E dot shift. Sorry, that's the whole problem. मैंने भूल कर रखा लिख रहा है. So we are going to work on that in this e dot shift. It's e dot shift key is equals to true pressed at 80. It's an ASCII value. No need to worry about this. You're going to understand this over time. So this is the thing that you have to add. Then console.log, then P and shift are pressed together. You can add any. I am just writing P and shift together. So this is the best friend of us developers. Anybody who does coding, even light coding, it's like a charm for them. Okay, now close. Next, block underscore image underscore width is equals to block underscore image underscore width and equals to block underscore image underscore width plus 10. Plus 10. Okay, close, and we are going to do the same thing for height. So copy this thing. Height. Okay, and plus 10. Because we don't want anything to collapse or anything like that, so that's why we are going to add this, giving you another, it's 47 currently, so at 48 we are going to start again. So analyze this whole thing. 1 2 3 go. Analyze. Hey guys, I am back and we are going to start again with coding. So let's add document.getElement by ID. So I'm just writing it. Yeah. So I wrote this pretty quick because I want to explain this to you instead of the time you write. I have copied it, and by the time I am explaining, you can write. Document.getElement by ID current width .html that beach we have added that says current width to block underscore image underscore width. Same thing with the height. Okay, so basically that's that, and now let's start decreasing it. We need to decrease it. The person will make it 100 and then it can't decrease and whole thing is gone, so we don't want that. So let's write, okay, if underscore if again. Okay, so we have to now in parentheses write this e dot shift key and key press equals to 77. So if 77 key is pressed, it should decrease. So we have to display console.log. I'm just writing that too. Just a minute. Yes. So yeah. Now I'm right. Yeah. So now we have to write block. Now we have to just decrease it. So I'm copying it from my other file which I already have, because you don't wanna get bored, do you? I guess don't, because this is the same thing. This we are minusing. Then that's the only thing that is happening currently. So now comes something more interesting than anything you must have experienced. we are going to add ASCII, and like this is just a straight piece of code, up, down, anything. Okay, so this is what totally is basically happening currently. So that is just something that we always need, up, down, left, right. So currently I'm using the up arrow keys. You can search ASCII and you will get all the numbers. So then you can edit it. WSD is there. Most popular gamers use that, WSD. I'm currently adding the arrow keys because most the people who have not gamed like me, I've never gamed before. I'm just the coding person, so it's going to be really helpful. So that's the whole scenario that why I'm writing this. So key pressed equals 38. That means up. 38 is up. So there are some fundamental things you should always remember. You should always remember. Okay, I'm not putting any force on you. Just I think every person needs to know it. We'll define this function later below. And then let's continue. So we just have to do all of this only. So console.log this. We have to write up because this console.log is the best friend you can say of us developers. Okay. Now let's put for write. I'm pausing the lever. 1, 2, 3, pause. Yeah, hey guys, I'm back and I have wrote all of this. Okay, down, right, left, right, because the same thing is there. Okay, so I don't want you to get bored. So yes, that's the whole point. Okay, I just want it to be a little below so that, and a little up. Yeah, here we are going to start writing. Okay, so it's just the same thing. Like I love these things because these are short, compact, and really easy to write. So so there are ASCII values that we are going to add. We can take any one, but we'll pick up the dump and dump it somewhere. So we need the ASCII table. There is something called the ASCII table that tells you this. So we have every code for everything out there. Like that's pretty shocking, right? You never expect this to be there, but there they are. So if key pressed is equals we can take, what should we take? We are taking it, so for t it's 84. The ASCII value is 84. And now inside we are going to do a new image. So basically that's going to cover all the dumb that, like we are basically, what it's going to do is it's going to dump some actually we should not take t. Because it's dump, let's take 68 for D, because we are dumping it somewhere. So dump. So basically an image is going to come with the dump there. And okay, so key press equals 68, then new underscore image that we are going to put there. That is, we can put, actually we are just going to make it make a dumpster there. So it's going to, so whatever image I'm going to add, I have not currently added the JPG or PNG because I have not currently added it. Once I add it, then we are going to see console.log dump. Okay guys, wanna analyze this? Should I give you time to analyze this? Okay. You have 30 seconds to analyze this, and after that, or just pause the video, okay? Otherwise, the video is going to become too long. And people who have never even not have started seeing this will just think it's too big. So I am going to just continue. So we have to now take the trash from somewhere. So for that, now we'll take 84. And let me just copy this. I'm going to change the values. So a little down. Go. Here, go. Instead of dumpster, I'm going to take here. Take the PNG, I guess. Or ZPT, whatever. Take tr. So this now we have to declare up function, down function. Like function is the main thing that you need to have. Okay, I may sound a little fuzzy about this thing, but it's really so. I actually pause the recording right here, copy it fast, explain it to you so that we don't make it a long video. Nobody likes long video because do you like long videos? I don't think nobody likes long videos. So let's end this and 1, 2, 3 video pause. Guys, I've written this. Now function up if player y this is equals to 0 this is basically the x and y table of coding. Vertical axis, horizontal axis, clear, really good. You can search on Google or Bing or whatever search engine you use, Brave or whatever, Firefox or whatever, Mozilla or whatever. You can just write xy table, xy coordinates in coding, and you will get the table. So player y is equals to y minus block. So this is basically what we are doing. We are making it up. So analyze time. You have 30 seconds to analyze this. The clock goes now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to stop counting because you may get disturbed. So waiting. Sorry guys, I moved it a bit. I'm making it up so you can see up. Same thing, pretty logical. Okay guys, I think you have analyzed the things that you need. Now we just have to add images. That's like, you must be thinking, that's it? Of course, that's literally it. So let's take first we need a player. So I kept the player intact because I knew that we are going to need this. So I already have that. Keep changing this, okay? I'm adding it here. You have some more analyzing time I've given you for left. I mean the coding is over, so you can take as much time as you need to analyze. And then we can just preview it all. So waiting. So the player.png has been added by me. I guess the analyzing time is over, so at least you can see player.png. It's the Minecraft one. I have taken one image from Minecraft only, so you can see it for some time. Guys, you have seen this, so now we are going to just change these things. So we should keep it as sorry guys, sorry for the cough today. I actually have some I have caught cold. Okay, so don't matter me. So what we are going to keep as a name? Okay, so the name we are going to put is going to be, okay, think 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 giving you time. Okay, think what format is it's going to be. Think 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 think. Okay, now thinking process should be complete. I'm going to take JPG for trash. Okay, and for pickup, I'm going to use, for pickup I can use PNG. Okay, so I am just transferring it. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I'm doing it. Please keep patience. Some patience. Actually, I've decided something else. Like, I have a huge collection of images, so I've thought something else. I'm going to add it and show you. Okay, so just a minute. Wait. You can skip this part if you want. I'm using both as vibrant colors. Okay, I have changed everything. Like we have something here, something there, something everywhere. Okay, now my computer is working slow because I'm recording, but it's okay. That's why you may experience a lag. But so take the PNG and trash.png. I have taken both as these things. So for dump we have trash.png. No, we actually have take for that one. So we have trash take.png, and for this we have trash.png. Okay, so I have saved this. How do you like this, guys? I hope you like this, and you can try. How do you like this? Just tell me in the comments below. How do you like this product? This is not a product. What am I saying today? This is not a product. It's just that I wanted to show you these things, especially because I am actually with Team C's. I want everybody to protect what we have forgotten these days. We have forget everything. Okay, guys, so I have actually restarted this thing. Okay, you can actually see what I'm adding currently. I'm adding this go live thing. I'm trying to fix this. So uninstalling and installing. I'm going to restart this. So okay, guys, so I guess that my network is low, so that's why it got a little slow, but it's okay, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to restart Visual Studio Code. I have saved this all. Close this. Everything is black. I am restarting, guys. I'm really sorry for this. I didn't mean to do this, but what can I do now? So it's just loading, guys, and yourself you may be able to see this in some seconds. Okay, so please wait. There is some time that is going to occur. Just wait. I think it should be visible in some time. Yes, the go live asking. Good. I'm going to put it back. Okay, just a minute, guys. Yeah, again go live. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, I've opened it. Yes, guys, it's working. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So bye.